Oh, come on now. There we go. Alrighty, so we're gonna take our filter cleaner here and liberally apply. I'd say that's pretty fucking liberal. On both sides it is. And then 10 minutes, don't let that shit dry. Alright, I'm gonna go ahead and give this a wash off. And from the clean side out, so you ain't just washing dirt back into your clean filter. You see it go gray as all that old red oil washes out of there. You kind of know where you got it. Need a little bit more get up and go than that to get this off the side. That's a little better. Big nasty dark stain in the middle of it not getting out. Just a little bit of it now. Give her another dose down, try and get some of this other grease out of here. Will cause severe burns. Okay, don't do it. Don't do it. It was rather elaborate. What's going on, kids? This is a 3-week review of having cleaned and re-oiled my own K&N drop-in air filter for the 2015 WRX. So we did it. We cleaned it off, used the applicable spray, got all the gunk out of it, washed it, and re-oiled it. Now, I re-oiled it twice because when I did the first pass, let it soak in, I looked at it, and it really wasn't red like when you get it. So I gave it another dose, kept it light, but at the end of it, I felt like it was a little bit heavy. So I'd kind of dabbed off the filter with a rag and just got any little, like, you know, really excess stuff in, and then fired it in. The thing that I did notice right away was that before I did that, my MAF readings, like my AF sensor 1s, AF learning and all that, it seemed like really like real-time data the entire time. There was no lag in the stream or anything. After I did it, it was like there was a lag, like it would display one value and then it'd display that value for a while and then switch and display another value. So I was kind of worried that I gunked up my filter, and I probably, or my MAF sensor rather, not my filter. I was kind of worried that I'd, you know, fouled my sensor. So it just ran rich for a while. Like I was getting high values. My AF learning 1 was, I used to be at like 264, negative 264, negative 364, negative 5, you know, up to maybe like negative 8 or something like that, fluctuating. I was getting values, I am getting values of like negative 10, -8, but then, you know, when I'm driving like -5.4, -3, so I'm rich a bit. You can tell I get a little bit more pop for a while, but that died out, and now I'm almost right back to kind of where I was performance wise and kind of like bog level. So yeah, cleaning my own filter, the first time I'd really done it with any kind of gusto and panache was something that you know, I could fuck up but it worked out okay. So K&N, you know, $60, and the filter cleaner kit was like $20, so $80 total. And now we've saved ourselves one filter replacement, and I'm a little more confident going forward. I'll give her a little bit heavier on that first pass and see if I can get away with just coating it once, letting it soak in. I coated it twice, let it soak in. So yeah, that being said, I would totally do it again. K&N, it was fun when we put it in. It was kind of fun cleaning it out and dropping it in and hoping we didn't break shit, and we didn't break shit. So the cob doesn't lie. No knock, no feedback, no damn adjustments or anything weird like that showing up. Just a little bit of values, and now my values are coming back real time, a little bit more so. So I'm not really worried. I was gonna clean my MAF. I should have probably, but I don't think I've really soiled it that bad. I looked in the box afterwards, like I took it out again and had a look, and I had horror fucking visions of there being just pools of oil all over the walls and shit, and there wasn't. Like, there really wasn't. It was worse the first time I dropped it in, probably, and took it up. You could see little streamers coming. This time there was a little, you know, accumulation in the bottom corner, but nothing anywhere close to the sensors. So that being said, in my uneducated opinion, it was worth doing. So hope you guys have a kick-ass awesome day. Like, subscribe. We'll go on the next adventure together, probably doing that tranny melt that I keep talking about.